Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value. Even though they may look different, they represent the same amount. These fraction cards demonstrate how many halves, quarters, and eighths are equivalent to or the same as one whole. Let's start with one whole. A whole can be cut into many equal parts. Let's use these fraction cards to see this. If I cut the whole into 2 equal pieces, this is what it will look like. Two equal sized pieces, or 2 halves, equals 1 whole. If I want to cut the whole into 4 equal sized pieces, this is what it will look like. 4 equal sized pieces, or 4 quarters, equals 1 whole. If I want to cut the whole into 8 equal sized pieces, this is what it will look like. 8 equal sized pieces, or 8 eighths, equal 1 whole. If I start with halves and want to know how many quarters are the same as a half, I could do it like this. I could cover up half to see that 2 quarters is the same as or equivalent to 1 half. If I want to find out how many eighths are in a half, I could do it like this. Again, covering up half, because that's what I want to find. I can see that 4 eighths is equivalent to 1 half, which is also equivalent to 2 quarters. So 4 eighths is equivalent to 2 quarters and 1 half. If I want to find out how many eighths are in 1 quarter, I could do that like this. I could cover up till I see 1 quarter. So I only want to use 1 quarter of my quarters. There we go. And I can see that 2 eighths is the same as 1 quarter. So year 1, we can see, if we put all our fraction cards together, we can see that 1 whole is the same as 2 halves, 4 quarters, and 8 eighths. We also figured out that a half is the same as or equivalent to 2 quarters and 4 eighths. We also found out that 1 quarter is the same as 2 eighths. Well done, everybody!